We often say history is made by humans, great leaders, decisive choices, and war. Everything seems to begin with human will. But is that really true? Why is it that in certain eras, one nation rises to dominate the world, and then suddenly that order begins to collapse? Is this truly the result of human choice? Or is there a deeper force at work? Take the age of exploration. Was it driven by courage? Or by winds, currents, and geography? Consider the Industrial Revolution. Was it human invention? Or the result of resources and environment? Even war itself may not begin with intention, but with climate change, resource pressure, and disease, forcing nations into conflict. When we look closely, humans may not be creators, but actors, moving within conditions already given. Perhaps history is not something we create, but a stage built by nature, on which we perform. So then, are we truly the makers of history? Or simply following a path already set before us?